This day after Valentine's Day, love will come unexpectedly.
Hello.
Now who's this?
Someone who'd like to talk. Your hacking is impressive, but can you hack my heart?
At first, I wanted to steal your data. But now, I just want to steal your heart.
Join us this February 15th for Hall Hack of Love on the Hallmark Channel.
Hello, I'm your anchor, Corey Dinsmore, and welcome back to CompTV. Today is Monday, February 15th of 2021, and we have some news for you. There is now a push to make February 15th a national holiday celebrating candy sales. February 14th, as we all know, is celebrated to be Valentine's Day. However, the day after is when candy goes on sale.
People are saying that this day off could give them time to spend with their families going candy shopping.
Now to our very own Jalen Church, scouring the stores of Covington for clearance candy.
We're Walmart now. Do some big deals, low prices. So let's get after it. Amazing. Can take it on the go. Flavorful. All Jolly Rancher flavors. Overall, amazing. Something I would suggest for little kids also. Skittles. Take it on the go also. Enough to feed a little child. Last but not least, digging tips. You know, Patrick SpongeBob. Amazing. Have these as a little kid. Man, I got a sweet too. February 15th is the best, man. February 15th, the day to get half off free candy.
Oh, hi. Jane? You look so pretty. Thanks. Too bad you're ugly. Alright, what can I get started for you guys? Wow, you two look really similar. Are you guys related? You know, I came from a really big family, but I was adopted soon after I was born. Oh my gosh, this isn't one of those recipe sites where you need to go through someone's life story. Just take our order. Oh, sorry. What'll it be? Can I get the chicken? You should know that I'm a level 5 vegan. Do you know how that got on your plate? Alright, I get it. What are you gonna order? Bring me a plate of toasted and dehydrated coconut oil and instruct the chef to sensually whisper their greatest insecurity into the dish. I'll have the same. Alright, that'll be out in just a minute for you too. So, you're a vegan? I would appreciate it if you didn't generalize me like that. That label is such a microaggression and is only useful to put me in a box. But you called yourself a vegan. Only I can call myself a vegan. When non-vegans say it, not only is it offensive, it generalizes my entire character into one word. It's alright, just go to your happy place. Here's your food. You know, you shouldn't have to force yourself to be in a relationship just because it's Valentine's Day. You should try dating yourself for a bit. They say the best type of love is self-love. You know what, Jane? You're right. Self-love is very important. I don't have to rush into a relationship if I don't want to. You gotta be able to love yourself first, you know? You know, when you walked in here, I honestly wasn't sure if this could work out, but now I understand that love is about compromise and finding shared interests.